Okay, I think I'm getting kind of tired in my after so many videos. Anyways, what I did was I caramelized some onions. Oh, they're so good. And my steak, it almost didn't make it because I've been nibbling off of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add my greens like I've done in the past. Go ahead and add those. And I don't have any stock right now, so that's okay, because I have plenty of liquids that I could use. And with the fond off this, the meat, the fond that I'm using from the pan of the meat, that's going to help a lot. So the fond is usually the stuff that's on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and drizzle some of that fat, reserved fat, that I had from when I fried that, the lamb. And I decided this isn't going to be an osso buco. I'm sorry. It's been a while since I made it. But if you look on my videos and just kind of Google it, I guess you can find it. And when I'm going to serve with it, I'm going to serve some tortellini. This is spinach tortellini. And, yeah. So I got some cremini mushrooms. I'm going to go ahead and put those in there. And mushrooms are an umami. I'll just let you know. And I'm going to squeeze some lemon in there. Okay. Or half a lemon. And that's good enough. That's plenty of lemon. And go ahead and use some of my pasta water so I can deglaze the bottom of that. And turn it up. And so I don't have to, the pasta water has, I actually added some, I seasoned the water with some garlic salt. I just wanted to load up on some greens because I haven't been eating any greens, and I have to get some greens in me. I'm just going to go ahead and let that simmer. I'm going to season it with a little bit of pepper. Just a little. And I'm gonna, yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt to that because just not happening for me. You could add butter if you want, but I'm not going to. Cut back on my butters. And it's so easy. So easy to make. Oh yeah. Much better. If you want to add some marinara sauce to it, you can. Actually, I am. The more I think about it, the more I want to. I'm going to add my 21 seasonings. I like adding that. That's 21 seasonings. My favorite. I like it better than the herb Provence and all that. I use it a lot. It's got all the seasonings that I like. Look at that. Big pot of greens. I love greens. And this is the way I make my greens. And then I'm going to go ahead and place my meat in there. And if you want, this is a good way to stretch out your meat. That is, if it actually makes it to the pot. Full warning: do not serve while do not cook while you're hungry. That's why a lot of us cooks, we like to nibble on other foods, because we'll end up eating the food that we're cooking. Yeah. Then you have like greens. I don't have to cook this very long. And this is a quick meal if you're really super hungry. And then you can serve it with your pasta. So yummy. Let's try it. Because now you have the flavorings, the seasonings from, I well seasoned the flour that I doused the lamb with. Oh, yum. Not hiding it. A delicious lamb meat, and you want to stretch it out. So basically what I did was I reserved the fat, I sauteed the onions, I put in the creamy mushrooms with the, I put in the greens, and then I sliced up the lamb, and there you have it, a nice lamb. I think Gordon Ramsay would be impressed. Okay, just wanted to show you that. Have a good one.